splash, 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 splash. Ooh, splash, splash, splash. Baby shark is playing around. Come on, friends, don't delay. Let's wash our hands today in the ocean school so bright. Baby shark feels something not right. All the fish are feeling slow. Why are germs everywhere you go? Teacher shark says, oh, oh no. Dirty hands are causing woe. Shoo, shoo, germs, go away. Crab and fish are sneezing loud. No more play in happy crowd. Baby shark says, I know what to do. We need clean hands, me and you. But wait, water tap is dry. What can we do? Oh my, my. Oh no, what's the plan? Boo, boo, boo. Baby shark finds magic soap. Don't worry, friends, there is hope. He rubs his hands left and right. Suddenly germs take a flight. Rub, 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 soap so fun. Germs are running one by one. Water comes back, splash, splash, splash. Now it's time for hand wash bash. Fish start dancing, crab does spin. Clean hands party, let's begin. Baby shark leads with cheer. Clean hands magic is here. La la la, dance with me. Healthy, happy family. Baby shark, solve the day. Germs all ran far away. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, 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 splash. Splash, splash, splash. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Clap, 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 jump and play. Clean hands happy every day. Boom, boom, clap, clap, old MacDonald's farm is back. Boom, boom, jump and sing. Farmyard chaos led to boom. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm a cow went boom, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, then one knocked on every row. Boom, boom, what a sound. Milk is splashing all around. E-I-E-I-O. Oh no, farm is going crazy, yo. And on this farm a chicken ran. E-I-E-I-O. It danced so fast like Boom Boom Man. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, eggs are bouncing in the air. Boom boom, egg attack. Chickens doing funky dance track. E-I-E-I-O, let's go. Farm is shaking head to toe. And on this farm a pig said boo. E-I-E-I-O. Jumped in mud with a splashy zoom. Ooh. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, mud is flying everywhere. Boom boom, muddy fun. Pig is sliding like a drum. E-I-E-I-O, so wild. Even MacDonald shocked and smiled. And on this farm a sheep went pop. E-I-E-I-O. Jumped so high it never stopped. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, wool is floating in the air. Boom boom, fluffy storm. Sheep are breaking every norm. E-I-E-I-O, hooray. Farm is dancing all the way. Old MacDonald says, oh wow. This farm is wild, I don't know how. He tries to calm the boom boom sound, but animals keep jumping around. Boom boom, farm on fire. Funny way. Music, chaos, wild desire. E-I-E-I-O, so fun. Best farm party ever done. Boom boom, clap clap, sing with me. Old MacDonald's crazy spree. E-I-E-I-O, we go. Farmyard fun will always glow.
With a clap.
Hey, A, B, C. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Baby shark and bubbly sea. Clap your fins and sing with me. ABC adventure Pop, pop, bubble pop. Look who's here, it's baby shark. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Let's blow bubbles, ready, start. Baby shark in the ocean blue. Found a wand, shiny and new. Dip it in and blow it slow. Wow, so many bubbles. Go, go, go. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Floating up, they never stop. Big and small, watch them fly. Color bubbles in the sky. One big bubble, oh so round. Lifted baby off the ground. Uh-oh, mommy, help me please. Floating high above the seas. Mommy shark just laughs out loud. Wave your fins and don't be proud. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Up you go and never stop. Wiggle, wiggle, down you drop. Splashy landing, bubble pop. Daddy shark says let me try. Blows huge bubbles to the sky. Grandma shark makes rainbow ones. Grandpa shark, 10 at once. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Family fun that never stops. Round and shiny, big and bright. Bubbles dancing left and right. Baby shark blew one too fast. Uh-oh, it grew super massive. It covered fish and coral too. Even Daddy shouted, woo! All together, clap, clap, clap. Bubble burst with a giant snap. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Laugh and splash and dance around. Bubbly fun is what we found. Now the bubbles drift away, shiny at the end of day. Baby shark waves with a smile. Let's blow bubbles one more while. Pop, pop, bubble pop. We had fun, it's time to stop. Clap your fins and sing along. Bubbles make a happy song. Five little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and bumped his knee. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, no more monsters jumping on the bus. Riding on the bus, riding on the bus. No more monsters jumping on the bus. Honk, honk, beep, beep. Four little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and broke the wheel. The driver called the ferry, and the ferry said, stop the monsters rocking the bus. Three little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and broke the horn. The driver called the dragon, and the dragon roared, stop these monsters breaking the bus. Two little monsters were riding on a bus. One jumped off and tore the seat. The driver called the mermaid, and the mermaid said, no more riding on this shaky bus. One little monster was riding on a bus. He jumped off and cracked the bus. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, fix the bus, fix the bus, fix the bus, let's fix the bus. Clap, clap, clap. They fixed the bus. Yay, yay, yay. All the monsters helped to fix the bus. Now it's shining without any fuss. The driver called the monsters and they all shouted loud. Come on, friends, let's ride this bus tonight. Wow. stars begin to glow. In a cozy room so warm and light, a little baby says good night. Baby lying in the bed, love pillow under head, looking out the window bright, watching stars in the night light. Baby whispers to the sky, I wish I could fly up there and touch the stars shining fair. Wow! Then comes a flutter by the pane, little owl in moonlight playing. Hello baby, don't you cry, I will take you to the sky. Baby smiles, eyes so wide. Owl says, come take a ride. Owl lifts baby in the air, up and up without a care. Through the clouds they start to glide, moonlight shining side to side. Push, push up, they go, flying high and moving slow. Baby laughs with joyful sound when stars are shining all around. And star one shining bright, so close I can feel the light. And star two glow and red, hello star, I see you too. And star three dancing free, they are smiling back at me. Then star four more and more, the sky is like a magic door. And star five so alive, so alive. Stars are jumping, wow, they thrive. Floating softly through the night, baby feels pure joy and light. Stars are singing lullaby, moon is smiling in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle everywhere, magic sparkles in the air. All says softly, time to go back to bed, nice and slow. Down they fly through clouds so deep, baby yawns and starts to sleep. Back in bed so safe and warm, dreams are dancing in sweet form. Twinkle, twinkle, night is done. Counting stars was so much fun, I wish I could out there and touch the stars shining, yippee, and touch the stars shining fair. By wolf flies into the sky, stars are glowing, passing by. Dreamy sleeps with smiles so bright, dreaming of the starry